Now that you've received your new Best Home Furnishings accent chair, begin by opening the box. Peel the tape from the top of the box. Do not use any sharp objects as this could damage your chair. Remove the bag from the chair. The legs should be located in the seat of the chair. Remove the legs and hardware from packaging. Turn the chair over. Align the legs with the pre-drilled holes in the base of the unit, using the included bolts, and start each bolt by hand. Install the leg bolt, aligning it with the threads in the base. Tighten the bolt down with the included Allen wrench. Do not use a drill, this could strip the threads. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 legs. Flip the chair back over and enjoy your new Best Home Furnishings chair.